Hi Lloyd, I'm a nerd and I think I've watched most of your mask review videos by now. Wow, that's a lot of videos, huh?
That is.
Thank you for all the work you've done to keep Americans healthy. I've got some KF94 masks from Amazon. Love the quotes that you haven't reviewed yet. I'd like to know if they're worth wearing. These particular masks were hard to find because they use the same listing for surgical and fish mouth styles. I got them because they were available and inexpensive, not because they're convenient for people wearing the lipsticks. They don't have much info in their listing, but I have my fingers crossed until I look closely at the claims and their 4-layer picture on the next page. Yeah, this is definitely a Chinese mask, right? They're made in China and came with a little Chinese certificate. Now, and as we know, KF94 masks are made where?
In Korea?
Good job, yeah. I thought, don't let me hang in. It's embarrassing. Let's do it again, one more time. Yeah, that's good. I hope you have fun with them. Anna,
Whoa.
Don't fall. If you're still looking for the KF94 standards, oh, cool, thank you. I did get a copy of the KF94 standard, thank you. And here's the listing. DC Beautiful, all right. DC Beautiful masks. Let's take a look at these. Sealed masks, these are awesome.
Well, the orange is the right color.
The orange is the
the
right
blue.
color. I'm glad you're here, because I'm colorblind.
Well, what do you mean? What do you think that color is?
Oh, we're gonna play the color game now, really?
What do you
How could I tell you the color if I'm colorblind? That doesn't make any sense. I don't know what colors
I
look
want to
like.
see what you think the color is.
But how did I know? How would I know? I don't have any reference point.
Whatever. Well, what do you think the color is? What does it look like? What, brown?
I don't know what brown looks like. 3, 2, 1. We gotta both hit it at the same time, otherwise it doesn't work. And the test is off to the races. All right, let's try this on.
Uh-oh.
Oh, wow, really? Okay.
Let me try this one on. Is it really breathable?
This smells like a retired salmon farm. No longer salmon there,
Okay.
but they were at one point. Let's do the ear loop test. Do you want to do it?
Yeah.
Pull it apart. Pull it apart.
Okay, that's pretty strong.
That was strong. I think this thing would, you need to work on your upper body. I think this thing would fall.
That's not strong.
Wait, the ear loops are Nemo ear loops. This side is shorter than this side. See that? So that just shows that their manufacturing and QC process isn't very good. It's a different size.
Well,
and I really think that
the ear loop.
if I do this, it's gonna come off.
Oh wow, that is not good. This mask is not good. You should not wear it.
Her opinion, by the way. I don't want any lawsuits, Julie. All right, but does that matter if it doesn't protect you? Let's take a look. Look at that.
96. That actually is pretty good.
96.54 is pretty good. And look at that breathability, 55.6.
A lot.
No, that's really good. That's really good.
That is really
So
good.
just as a benchmark, 150 pascals is pretty breathable. I like to see things under 150 pascals. But honestly, you get under 100 and this one's 55.6 pascals. That's insane. That's an insane breathability. In fact, this is one of the most breathable masks that we have.